eat a lot in the dream. Who are you? Who are you?
Why are you disturbing me?
Who are you?
Getting me. She wants to show people that she knows God. She wants to prove to the world that she can sing. Why is she singing for the Lord? Why is she singing?
She belongs to the Lord.
Why is she singing?
She belongs to Jesus.
Allow her to me.
Allow her for you.
Allow. Why is she disturbing our kingdom?
So who are you? Who
All
are
the
you?
time she's singing and singing and singing. Why must the Lord give her that voice to sing? Why? Why must she sing for the Lord? The Lord has chosen this girl to show that He liveth. The Lord has shown to people that this girl knows Him. The Lord has proved to this girl that He liveth. Why? Why the Lord has chosen for this girl? Why is that He has chosen for this girl? Why? Why she keeps on singing?
So for how long are you tormenting her?
For long.
For long.
But I've never proved myself.
You have never proved yourself.
But today you have arrested me.
I've arrested you today.
Today you have arrested me. Why?
Jesus is greater than you.
Arrested me today.
Jesus has arrested you.
Why? I wanted to torment this girl.
You wanted to torment
I
her.
wanted to turn her life to zero. But now you have made her to be hero. Why? I know after this deliverance, this girl will shine. This girl will be a star.
Before every problem.
She will be a star.
Before every problem.
She will be a
There is an
star.
expiring date.
No, we cannot deliver her. I said no.
You said no.
This guy is a star.
I give you 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Jesus' mighty name. I taught you about faith. That's faith in reality. Put your hands together for Jesus. When God steps in your problem, your case is handled.
Thank you, Jesus. Finally, I'm free.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, Major. Finally, today I'm free.
Where do you live?
I live in Banyo, Adamawa region. Major.
Adamawa.
Yes, Major.
You cannot come from Adamawa to Adama Northwest and go back the same.
Major.
Go and grow spiritually. In Jesus'
I receive.
mighty name. Put your hands together as well.